Welcome back to our PicoBricks series. Today we will be using PicoBricks to sense our environment. We will be using the temperature sensor to read the temperature of our room, then we will output the temperature to the OLED display. Let's get into it.
Once you're logged into your computer, load up your favourite web browser. As you can see here, we're using Google Chrome. Within the address bar, type ide.picobricks.com. Once the PicoBricks page loads, click View More on the Pico Blockly editor. Now we're in the PicoBricks Blockly editor. Let's click on Basic. And we need a PicoBricks block. Next we need a forever loop, so we click on Loops and then the forever loop and we attach that under the PicoBricks block. Next we need a wait block, so this is back into loops and then it's the wait one. Now click on display and we need a clear screen buffer and we'll attach that under the wait one block. We need another display block, but this time we want write text to screen. We actually need 3 of these blocks, so we just right click and duplicate, and we'll duplicate again. So this first one, we want to change the X value to 15, the Y value to 10, and where it says PicoBricks, we want to type temperature. On the next line, we want the X value to equal 55 and the Y value to equal 30. And this time within here, we're going to attach a block that reads the temperature. So to do this, we click on Bricks. Then we want the read temperature block and we'll attach that within the PicoBricks. For the next line, we want this to display at position X35 and Y50. And this time in here, we want to type degrees.
If you liked the video so far, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel to be the first to know about new releases. This also lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content. Let's get back to the video.
So when we click the run button, our code will run forever or until we click stop. It will wait 1 second, then it will clear the screen, then it will write text to the screen. So here it will write temperature at the X and Y position 15 and 10. On the next line, it will display the temperature. And on the third line, it will display degrees. And to make all this show, we then need a show screen buffer. So let's connect our PicoBricks to our computer to see this working. So we do this by clicking on the little connect button, then board in FS mode and click connect. And then we'll click run. And we'll now see our temperature displayed on the PicoBricks OLED screen.
Well done! You have just created your own thermometer to monitor the temperature of your environment. Come back for the next video where we'll be using the potentiometer to control the brightness of an LED. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy coding!